10 simple ways to get rid of heartburn. Heartburn can be terribly painful, which leads people to think that something serious is wrong with them. Not only do you feel a burning sensation in your chest, but you may find yourself having difficulty breathing or breaking out in a cold sweat. The best news about heartburn is that it can be controlled if you're willing to use a little common sense and discretion in your eating habits. In our society, we're famous for eating the wrong foods while we're on the go, tactics which can go a long way towards promoting attacks of heartburn. There are definitely simple reasons why almost every human being on Earth suffers from heartburn at least once during their lifetime. What you eat and the way you eat it can have the biggest impact on most cases of heartburn. You have to know how to beat the system and keep your body from going into heartburn mode. Heartburn happens when some of the excess acids in your stomach back up and come in contact with the lining of your esophagus. Your esophagus isn't made to handle stomach acid, and it can become very irritated when exposed. Contrary to a popular conception, heartburn is controllable if you use common sense in your eating habits. Some of the methods you can try include: 1. Try eating smaller amounts each time you eat. Instead of eating 3 large meals a day, eat 6 smaller ones. This will help keep your stomach from overfilling and prevent the acid from backing up into your esophagus. 2. Eat more slowly. You don't have to eat ridiculously slow, but if you're a fast eater, you will be more prone to heartburn attacks. 3. Eliminate anything that contains caffeine from your diet. This includes coffee, tea, and chocolate. 4. Cut down on fatty, fried foods. 5. Avoid any activities which put pressure on your stomach. These include wearing tight-fitting clothing, lifting heavy objects, and bending over. 6. Losing weight can often be beneficial in decreasing stomach pressure and avoiding heartburn. 7. Try to avoid stress in your life. Although this can be difficult sometimes, make a real effort not to allow yourself to react to the stress in your life. 8. Drink a warm glass of herbal tea or water following meals. 9. Chew gum after meals. This will increase your body's saliva production, which will help wash the stomach acid from your body. 10. Try following up a meal with 1 bite of ice cream. There are people who swear by this method. Please like, share and subscribe. Subscribe Health and Tips. And click the notification bell to keep you updated on my new videos.